In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your OneDrive account password step by step, 2025. If you can't remember your password or you're locked out, don't worry. This walkthrough will take you from the sign-in screen to getting back into your files safely and quickly. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Microsoft account sign-in page. This is the same place you'd normally go to access your OneDrive. Once you're there, click Sign In, then type the email address associated with your OneDrive. This should be the Microsoft account you use for your files, whether it's a personal or work account. Double-check for typos before you continue. When the password box appears, select Forgot Password. This is the secure, built-in way Microsoft helps you reset access, and it's the method you should always use to keep your account safe. You'll be asked why you need to reset your password. Choose the most accurate option, like I forgot my password, and click Next. This helps Microsoft route you to the correct recovery flow. Now, choose a verification method to confirm your identity. You might see options like receiving a code by email, getting a text or call on your phone, or approving a sign-in request with an authenticator app. Pick the method you can access right now and click Send Code. Make sure you recognize the partial email or phone number shown on the screen. If something looks unfamiliar, stop and verify you're on the legitimate Microsoft site. Check your chosen inbox, messages, or app for the code. These codes are time-sensitive, so enter it promptly exactly as shown, then click Next. If you don't see it in email, look in your junk or spam folder. Remember, never share verification codes with anyone. You'll now be prompted to create a new password. Enter a strong, unique password, confirm it in the second box, and click Next to save it. For the best security, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words and don't reuse passwords from other accounts. A password manager can help you keep track of it securely. Finally, return to OneDrive and sign in with your new password. You should now have full access to your files again. If you run into an error, carefully retype your email and password, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.